For almost a decade, Inspire has been the standard on film sets around the world. Today, we're setting a new standard for aerial cinematography. Introducing Inspire 3, a full-frame 8K cinema drone that was built to master the unseen. Inspire 3's entire appearance is modern, concise, and compact, with streamlined integration of every body module. It starts with improved vision for pilots, a large aperture, super wide-angle FPV camera with enhanced low-light capability.
The FPV camera on the Inspire 3 is absolutely phenomenal. The picture quality is exceptional with a very low latency in the video, which allows the pilot to fly very precisely through small areas.
The powerful propulsion system enables max horizontal flight speeds of up to 94 kilometers per hour, and the dive speed has even been increased to 10 meters per second. The lightweight and compact new TB51 batteries provide a 28-minute max flight time and support for fast charging and hot swapping. In order to safely fly in tight spaces with a drone of this size, we've given Inspire 3 our most advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology. Expanded obstacle avoidance options give pilots more customizable settings, including sensing direction, range, and more, all visible on the new navigation display. With a dual antenna design, powerful internal orientation capabilities further improve flight accuracy and safety, while eliminating the need for compass calibration in most scenarios. 3 GNSS systems powered by integrated RTK antennas open the door to centimeter-level positioning when using a DRTK2 ground station or network RTK.
The Inspire, when we're flying today, has the new RTK that has centimeter accuracy that you could fly paths and go through obstacles that were just impossible to do before.
This RTK technology also significantly enhances Waypoint Pro functionality and precision. 2 Waypoint Pro options are available on Inspire 3. The first is repeatable routes, which is an enhanced version of traditional Waypoint. It gives users pro-level parameter control along precisely repeatable flight routes. The second is 3D Dolly, which lets users create an aerial motion path and move along it back and forth at manually adjustable speeds with full gimbal control.
I mean, with the precise movements of the waypoint, you can do shots that you could never do before that were just impossible. I mean, today we did almost a 13-point waypoint move, and it was just seamless. Wrapping around someone, taking off, and then landing in an impossible position, you know, inches away from things, and it was just dead on.
Most aerial shots focus on a single point or subject, and this ability is dramatically optimized with Spotlight Pro, which stays focused on a selected subject as you manually control flight.
I love that they adopted Spotlight Pro for the Inspire 3. It lets me focus entirely on the flight, while the gimbal just stays locked on the subject, so I can get these really complex shots, even if I'm just shooting solo.
Inspire 3 features a cinema-grade imaging system. The key to this is the brand new Zenmuse X9 8K Air camera with a full-frame sensor. Record up to 8K using ProRes RAW and Cinema DNG codecs, or even shoot full-frame 120 frames per second in 4K for pro-level slow-motion shots. With a dual-native EI of 804,000, the X9 Air delivers 14+ stops of dynamic range, letting you shoot confidently in a wide variety of lighting conditions.
We have a dual native ISO, which means it can now shoot in low light really well, and then full frame sensor is now making the camera better than the majority of cameras out there already. So it's going to be comparable to a lot of high-end cinema cameras.
In addition to outstanding imaging performance, color science is equally exceptional thanks to the DJI Cinema Color system.
Working with this camera on the color side was very seamless. You can see all the highlight detail in the skies, and also you can see all of the shadow detail in the clothes. And usually we only see that with the very best of the professional cameras out there.
In order to empower DOPs with more creative freedom, The DJI DL mount features a new 18mm f2.8 lens, as well as new telephoto lenses. These, along with the existing full-frame prime lenses, comprise a unique cinema lens selection designed with aerial filmmaking in mind. More creative shooting angles are obtainable with the new tilt boost mode. By having the landing gear down, an 80-degree upward gimbal angle becomes available, with no obstructions in the FOV. A major focus of Inspire 3's development was the seamless integration on high-end film sets. It offers timecode sync support, and for precision control on set, DJI RC Plus features a 7-inch, 1200 nit high brightness screen. With the ability to use both built-in and external batteries, it provides up to 6 hours of operating time and support for hot swaps. The O3 Pro transmission of Inspire 3 enables effortless collaborations on set. This finally allows the pilot and gimbal operator to independently receive video links from the drone with reliable, high-quality 1080p 60 frames per second video feeds within a 15-kilometer range. And a 4K transmission mode with reduced range is also available for Ultra HD outputs. In addition to dual RC Plus operation, Inspire 3 can also be paired with one RC Plus and one high-bright remote monitor. The monitor then becomes the gateway to the DJI Pro ecosystem, offering control compatibility with products like 4D hand grips and master wheels. The DJI 3-channel follow focus can be connected to the RC Plus to facilitate remote focus and iris control on the X9 Air. With so many groundbreaking features, the future of intelligent aerial cinematography is just getting started.
Yeah, we've been waiting for the Inspire 3 for a long time. It's finally here, and it's as good as you wished it could be.
After today and just seeing what it could do, I have, great confidence I can show any of the directors I'm working with new possibilities of new shots that we haven't been able to do before. I feel with this new precision that I can get shots that are supremely accurate.
This drone will improve our daily work in ways it's hard to even understand yet. And maybe the most important part, the image quality is unlike anything we've ever seen on a fully integrated drone.
I have a feature coming up, and there's some shots that I'm pretty excited about that I can get with this new i3.
We created the Inspire 3 to unlock a universe of potential for any pilot, cinematographer, or filmmaker. Shoot the timeless work of tomorrow and master the unseen.